like that one more.
I have the M4 one, but it's Halloween, you know?
Yeah.
And the problem is dude, if like when I use it and people see it in a kill feed, they just chase after it. It's like it's a random name because I have the partner thing, like a random name, and then they see that and they're like, oh, that's a streamer. Let's go kill him.
Oh, I see.
And then they just throw to try to kill me. You know what I mean?
Well, I ain't no streamer, just a random.
I like it, dude. I like your. Where, dude? That's hopefully in here. That's farming, dude. 63 vest if you need it. And what up, baby? I love it, dude. I love it. But if you
Extended on this guy.
Yeah, I need that and attack. If you like paid, I've always talked about the 502, right? It's like one of my favorite mice. So
On that crate. Dude, what a circle. Okay.
yeah. Look, King, what up, baby? Go loot that guy up top. He's got, once you fully upgrade one of the, like any of the skins, like it costs you a lot of money, it does that box for you. On you?
No, that's far. Somewhere.
A few warehouse guys.
They might try to camp bridge. That's what I would do.
I'm gonna find another level 3 vest. I headshot this guy up here. I'm hoping he's got one.
Wait, there's another one up there, fresh?
No, I'm trying to find one for me.
Oh.
Mine's damaged.
Oh.
Normally there's like 2 or 3 on this thing.
Alright, I'm looking for a car.
Crazy is as we were crossing, chat, from like here to over here, I was scouting this. Remember watching me? I was scouting.